Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I have a swap I want to share with you. Excuse me, a swap with Miss Chelsea at SugarRayCrafts. We did an ATM. I'm thinking about money, I guess, and all this craziness going on. An ATC card. We want to do a swap with each other, so this is what she sent me. This is obviously a sea ocean theme, and I love how she put the background, which is actually the focal point, as a stamp, and the rest of everything else is 3D. These, I don't know if she typed these out on her computer or if they're a stamp and then she cut them out and, you know, did them with her pen. This has got to be a die, a seaweed die, and some little pearls. And I think that is so cute. And then on the back she's got her information, but she also put a 3D seaweed on that too, coming from the top. So I thought that was very cute to put something on the back 3D. Her birthday is September the 20th. Her favorite color is brown. She likes any style, which is probably just about like me. Her favorite things: bats, rats, and I thought she was going to go further with the rhyming thing, but it just is coinky dink. Bats and rats, pigs and bees, dragonflies, glitter, and Christmas. So she obviously likes Halloween. And bees, I like bees too, and pigs, they're cute. Piggies are cute. But anyway, that's her ATC. And then she sent me a little goodie, which I'm so glad, girl, you sent me this, because I don't have that much Easter stuff. I've been trying to build up my stash because I've got plenty of Thanksgiving and plenty of Christmas, and I think I've built up a little bit more than I should of my Halloween, but I don't have a lot of Easter and Valentine's, which I don't do a lot of Valentine's. I think I got enough of Valentine's, but every year, you know, there's always something cuter that comes out on everything. And I'm going to go through some of my lists that, you know, when you see something and you want it but you can't get it right now, well, I write those things down in this little book. Or if I buy a stamp set and I want to get the dies, but the dies are like ridiculously too high, I will search and find the lowest for that, or wait for a big sale or something. So I'll write that down to make sure I don't forget that I want that. When I first started crafting, I got like a ton of paper stuff. I mean, paper, you know, 12 by 12 paper pads, mostly from DCWV. But here in the last few years, I've gotten to where I don't buy that much paper anymore, unless it's like the cutest set I've ever seen I've got to have. But I just buy like dies or stamps or something. Anyway, but she sent me that, and her cards, oh my goodness. Okay, this is one of them, which of course it matches her ATC. Wishing you oceans of fun. And she's thanking me for doing the swap. Oh, and you don't have to worry about other stuff, sweetie. I think we probably all got enough, but I have this really bad problem of giving away most of my stuff. And then I remember, oh wait, that was something I wanted to keep. Then I wind up buying it again. But another problem is I buy duplicates of the same thing. And so most of the time I'll either sell it or give it away. So thank you, girl. That's really cute. And then she sent me a Mother's Day card. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I love that you cut this out on the shiny paper. And I love purple. Purple. I have loved purple since I was a kid. So that is so cute. I love the little sequins. Have a happy Mother's Day. Hope you're able to enjoy it despite our circumstances. Sending all my love, Chelsea. Yes, I'm hoping to. Actually, I just got confirmation today, which is Friday, that we're not going to do Happy Mother's Day this weekend. We're going to do it the next weekend. So, that's fine with me. I think our kids are trying to go back and forth between mothers. So, and that's good. I remember doing that too when I had kids that were small. And anyway, so that was the Mother's Day. Thank you so much, sweetie. That was so sweet of you. And let me put these where you can see them. And on my last video, not my last one, yes, my last one, that was the Easter one, I'll let y'all know that I'm going to have a de-stash coming up. I'm going to try to go on one of those Facebook de-stashes and try to sell some stuff on there, because I really have so much stuff I need to get rid of. I mean, things that I haven't even used yet, and dies and stamps, and I think I got a punch in there, and just a bunch of embellishment stuff. I mean, I got a ton of stuff. So I'm gonna, when I get all that together, I will do a Facebook and a YouTube about it to let y'all know. So anyway, thanks again, girl. I appreciate it, and yours will be coming to you soon. Thanks, girl. Bye.